Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install Grafana latest version on Ubuntu 26.04 LTS version. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with Ubuntu Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to Grafana official website, it is grafana.com. Then click on these three horizontal bars, then go to docs. Then see here we have the different versions: Grafana Cloud, Grafana OSS or Grafana Enterprise. In this video I am going to install Grafana Enterprise. Click on it. Then click on setup, then click on install Grafana, then select Debian or Ubuntu. See here we have the Grafana versions: Enterprise, Enterprise Beta, OSS and OSS Beta. In this video I am going to install Grafana Enterprise. If you want to install Grafana by using Debian package, you have to go to this Grafana download page and you have to install it, or you can run these commands one by one. So I am going to install by using this apt repository method. So copy these commands one by one, then open terminal, paste it, hit enter, then provide the password of the sudo user, hit enter. It is done. Control A. Now import GPG key by running these three commands. Now add repositories for stable release. See next, this is for stable release and this is for beta release. I am going to install stable release. So copy this command, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now update the packages. Sudo apt get update, hit enter. It is done. Control A. Now we have to install Grafana by running this command: sudo apt install Grafana. If you want to install, this command is for OSS, this is for enterprise, so you hyphen enterprise, hit enter. See, it is installing Grafana Enterprise. See, now it is downloading and download size is 295 megabytes. See, we are installing Grafana Enterprise version number 13. If you go to this download page, click on it, open this new tab. See here we have the latest version 13. This is for Enterprise, this is for OSS. Then we have to select the Linux, then we have to run these commands for different operating systems. Okay, see, we have successfully installed Grafana Enterprise edition 13.1. First verify the Grafana server status. Sudo systemctl status Grafana -server. See, Grafana server is installed but it is not started. First we have to run these commands one by one to reload daemon, enable Grafana server, then start the Grafana server service. Okay, run these commands one by one. Now enable it. It is run. Now verify the status. See, we have started Grafana server service and it is enabled. Q to quit, Control A. Now connect to Grafana. Then click on sign in to Grafana. See here, default username and password are admin and this is the URL local host, then port number 3. Open new tab, then localhost, then port number 3000. See, you got the Grafana login page. See here again, default username and password is admin. Then click on login. If you want to set new password, you have to provide here, otherwise skip. It is up to you. I want to set the password for this admin user. Re-enter the same, then click on submit. Remember this password, later we need this password. See, you got the Grafana console. See, we are in the dashboards and home page. Now see, here we have the bookmarks, start, dashboards, explore, drill down, alerting and connections, and administration. If you go to administration, see here we have the users and access. Go to users, see here we have the admin user. If you want to create new user, click on new user. If you want to change the properties of this user, you have to click on username, and if you want to change the password, click on edit, then set the new password. Okay, go to connections, add new connection. See, here we have different data sources. If you are enabled, if you want to search like MySQL, I have installed MySQL on this one, so click on this MySQL data connection, connect. Now click on add new data source. MySQL is fine. Then come down here, localhost is fine, port number 3306 is the port for MySQL, 3306. Database, I have the bank, username root, password. If you want to enable SSH client, you can turn on, otherwise come here and click on save and test. Testing. See, database connection is okay. Okay, now again go to data sources. See, we have the MySQL data source. If you want to search for another one, click on. If you want to add another data source, click on new data source, then provide data source information, then search for data source information. See, we have the PostgreSQL. Click on it. Again scroll down, port number 5432, localhost 5432. I have the same. Then click on save and test. See, successfully connected. Okay, now we have used here localhost. We can also use host name. Copy this host name or IP or loopback IP, paste it, port number 3000, hit enter. Wait a moment, it is loading. So you got the login page. Another one is give the loopback IP, that is 127.0.0.1, port number 3000, hit enter. So you got the login page. Now we'll see what will happen if we stop the Grafana service. Sudo systemctl stop Grafana -server. See, it is stopped. Now reload this page. See, unable to connect. Even if you go to logged in page, reload, see, we are unable to connect. So to connect Grafana server, the Grafana server service must be up and running. So sudo systemctl start Grafana -server. Now verify the status. See, Grafana service is started. If you reload this page, see, we are able to connect. Even if you go to this login page, see, we are able to connect. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Grafana Server Enterprise Edition 13 26.04 on Ubuntu 26.04. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.